So Mickey asked, do you have to download each template separately or do they come in a download package? So the templates come down in sets. So if you look here, Premium Package 2, you have Dynamic Portrait 2, Transparent Design templates that look like this, which are pretty cool. So if you add a photo like this, same thing. I bring that over, so you go over here. Let's say you add this photo, they just go right in. So you can see it just goes in just like that. So they're all the same. I mean, they work all the same. You can adjust all the layers. Guys, it's the exact same thing. I'll just work on this one. Her name is not Olivia, but it's Ryan, let's say, I don't know. And then you can do the same thing. You'd be done there. You could change the colors, of the things that match like this. And you can do the exact same thing, which is to add comp layer, filter, camera raw filter, and just start, just bring up the exposure, the saturation, highlights maybe, change the vibrance. I'm just doing little details, clarity, right? Vignetting, little details. Look at how fast I'm doing this once I get it. Just a little bit like that, boom, done. Those are those finer touches, higher end details. Watch this, turn this layer off. Here's the original, okay? It's flat, here's the adjustment in 2 seconds. Turn my webcam back on here. How long did this take me to do, right? How long did that take me to do to get an incredible result like this that Ryan, whatever her name is, or if it's something else, would love, right? It's so fast, it's so easy, and it will make you so much more efficient in your work, and you can always go back in here and change things. So I come down here and I want to change the color of the background. I can do that myself with Controller Command U and just adjust, look at those colors change, boom, like that. Beautiful. In seconds, gave her 2 options. So I just gave Ryan 2 options, okay? Maybe her name's not Ryan. Is that a weird name? Is that a girl's name? I don't know. All right, so we're gonna go with, give me a name here. Somebody throw out a name. We'll make this our final question for the day. What's a good name? Okay, who is it? Oh, Monica was the first person to say her name. There you go, Monica, right? Oh, by the way, so look at that name. It's a little too long, right? Because it cut off. So we could resize it. We could make it bigger. We could move it. There are no rules. You do it the way that you want, okay? These are all layers. So if you haven't dove into this yet, I think you're gonna see you've got a lot of options. Do you get the idea what I'm going for here? Like this is the second version of this image I did. Now I save it as a JPEG. Then I go back in and I say, all right, well, we're gonna try something else. We're gonna add a hue and saturation, and we're gonna try this version. Okay, let's see if my client likes that. Save it as a JPEG. Okay, now we're gonna go back to a hue and saturation. We're gonna try this version and see if she likes this one. That's gray, or all the way up. Maybe she likes this, I don't know. Who cares? It's what she likes, not what you like, it's what your client likes. You really have to think about it. It's like, who are you serving here, right? With Photobacks, we want to give you the ability to customize and create, because I want to serve you at that level so you have the ability to customize and create. Like, I'm not looking for somebody that wants the Hallmark card that never gets customized. You guys are creative professionals. You guys are creative people. You want to be able to adjust this the way you want. That's how I want to serve you. If you're serving your client, you don't care what they want. You want them to be happy. So you want to be happy. So how you do it? Like, you don't care if they like green or blue or red or pink. That's up to them. You can give them ideas. Certainly you want to give them good color schemes, but it's like, give them options, a few options of good colors. It's the best. It only makes you better to have just a few other options, because guess what everybody else is doing? Everybody else out there is giving them this photo and that's it. Or giving them this photo and one color that they got from some photo lab that's dated from 1972. You know what I mean? But you guys have Photobacks, you have the training, you have what you need to get out there and make images like this in seconds that I promise you people will love. I don't think there's anybody that has ever reported our company in 15 years, over 15 years now, who has said that they designed something like this for a client, customer, or friend, and the person said, I don't like it. It just never happens. It's like, it never happens. They always love it because you know what, as photographers and creative people like us, we live and breathe this stuff all day. It's all we look at. You look at photos all day, you look at your clients all day, you look at your models all day. They don't. They are living their lives and working. And then when the kids or the parents or somebody else or clients, or the wedding couple, whatever it is, and they see this stuff, they get crazy. They don't even understand how you did it. And that's what's cool. So you got to remember, you got to like kind of remove yourself out of our photography bubble.